So guys, if this happens to be your first time on this YouTube channel, I'll be so happy to see you subscribe right now. Now let's talk about Elaine Thomson Herah, because she recently participated in the Jamaican trials, and it is so sad to see that Elaine Thomson Herah has not been able to give out the best of her times. And it is so unfortunate because Elaine Thomson Herah actually gave out all her best, like she did all her best to qualify in the Jamaican trials, but it's just that luck were not on Elaine Thomson Herah's side. Because come on guys, this girl has been one of the fastest women alive, and she has been running for Jamaica for a very long time. I just felt like maybe this time things were very unfortunate for her. And guys, please let's not forget that before the Jamaican trials begin, Elaine Thomson Herah made it sure that she has some injuries and she was facing some mental issue. I know a lot of people are blaming Elaine Thomson Herah because she changes from her coach, which is Frano, to her training with her husband, which a lot of people are blaming and finding fault because of changing her coach. But I'm here to tell you guys that she did the right thing by changing the coach. It's just that things are not by her side. And let's not also forget that Elaine Thomson Herah is the fastest woman alive, and she has won Olympic gold medalist for several years. Just because she did not perform this time does not give us the right or order to kind of downgrade this good performing lady here. She is a superhero, and please let's give her flowers. Although Elaine Thomson Herah came 5th in the final race that took up in Jamaican trials Keystone, but that is not enough to start looking down on this lady. I just want to make this sure that this woman here, I respect her a lot, and the fact that she loses in by coming fifth in the race does not mean she is weak. I feel like Elaine Thomson Herah is going to shock us next year in 2024 Olympics. But this time, it's so sad to see that she has not qualified. What do you think about Elaine Thomson Herah not qualified? Do you think it's because she changes the coach from Frano to her husband being coaching her? Let me know what you think in the comment section. Also, don't forget to subscribe. And also, let me know what you think about Shelly and Fraser Price, because Shelly and Fraser Price has not raced in 100-meter yet. And the reason is because we all know Shelly and Fraser Price has already qualified for 100-meter. She is the defending champion in world athletics, so she does not need to race any longer. But I'm sure she's going to race in the coming 200-meter race, which has been specified when the rosters of Jamaican running has been released. And guys, let me know what you think about Johan Blake also, because Johan Blake was not able to qualify. It is so sad that some of the top stars from Jamaicans were not able to make it to the World Athletic in Budapest. It was a very sad experience. Like, I was also sad when I see that. Make sure to